Hey Miranda, this is Coach Miranda Minor and welcome to our vlog. So ito, kita nyo Sili.
Oh no!
Sili ice cream. Sabi ni ate, ito daw ay level 5. May level 1 to 5. So ako, tsaka si Ivy. Hello ka Ivy.
Hi!
Kayo po ang magkakan ng sili. Ayan, try namin first time. First time ka Miranda, Sili ice cream. Tingnan natin kung talagang totoong maanghang ito. Alright, let's do this.
Mauna ka, Coach. Mauna ka. Uy, parang wala lang. Isa pa. Parang kailangan ko ng tubig.
Manghang talaga siya. Ang anghang talaga siya. Para siyang ang anghang talaga siya. Para siyang hindi siya ice cream eh. Parang preservatives. Tapos may sili. Ikaw, tingin mo. Try it.
Kinakabahan ako.
Try it.
Hindi kumakain ng maanghang eh.
Manghang siya. As in sili version. Yung tubig. Hindi, pero kaya naman.
Tubig.
Kaya mo? Ang anghang talaga siya. Ate, gawa mong water. May malipot.
Masarap siya pero yung
Ang anghang talaga siya. Ang anghang.
kailangan mo ng tubig.
Dito kami sa isang mayon. Mamaya makikita nyo ang aming ATV ride. Going doon kay Mayon. Alright, yun muna kami Miranda. Ang anghang talaga siya. Within expectations, I don't think it's an ice cream. Pero yung anghang niya sobra. Must try nyo. Try nyo kami Miranda.
Actually, ice cream po. Tubig.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.